Hello and welcome to this video where we're taking a look at the heavy-duty KitchenAid. Now this is something that I have used for a long time and I really do like using it for baking. It can serve many purposes, but today we're going to do a short demo, going to make some pancakes and just talk about the machine a little bit and its features. So this machine can use various attachments. It can use this whisk-like thing here. It can use this like bread kneader here, or a paddle kind of like this one. What we're going to use today in this example is this whisk type thing here. And what I'd like to say about this blender is that, well, first of all, it comes with this big stainless steel bowl there. And if we take a look at the machine itself, this is the type in which the head unit does not turn back, but rather these things here, the bowl holder, these raise up with this lever here on the side. So you can see that, you can raise it up like that, and then it locks into place as it goes over that cam there. So that is how that works. And we do have various speeds on it. I'm going to show you the speeds. It would look to be like it's stepped. So you got stir. Then you got speeds 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now here's the interesting thing. It is actually somewhat stepless. You can actually go in between the steps. So this is 2. And this is between 2 and 4. And that's 4. Here's between 4 and 5. So, as you see, it's actually stepless, but it's also stepped in that it can lock into place underneath the steps. So that's kind of interesting there. I would say, let's just go ahead and do our demo. Let's make ourselves some pancakes. So for that, we're just going to fill in some flour. I've got all the ingredients already measured out. All right, so I got my flour in there already. And I'm just going to put this here onto the cradle. Great. And now we can attach our attachment here, this whisk tool. So to do that, we're just going to put it inside the bowl and slip it up over this rod. It's keyed, so we just have to get it up and over the knob. There we go. Press against the spring and lock it into place. Perfect. All right, and now we can simply raise it up and we can start mixing. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna start with stir. Now what I really like about this KitchenAid is the fact that you can add ingredients just from the side like this. I'm going to go ahead and just mix up my dry ingredients first. Got to add some sugar. Then we got to add a little bit of salt. And now we can add our wet ingredients. So we got to add some milk. This is what I find really convenient about the KitchenAid process. Just simply add the ingredients from the side and you're good to go. Here comes the oil. And finally, we need our 2 eggs. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and speed up a little. And what I would suggest doing if you want to kind of get some of that stuff down off the sides is stopping it real quick and just kind of pushing it down there with a spatula just like that. And that's already looking very creamy. The KitchenAid is doing a nice job there. So, okay, we've got that scraped off. Let's mix it just a little longer and we'll be good to go. Zip. All right, that is looking nice and creamy. Those are gonna make some tasty pancakes, I'm sure about that. Let's just add a few chocolate chips there for good measure. And then we're already done. So we can lower our mixing bowl, can remove our attachment, and here we go. This is our really, really nice and creamy, delicious looking pancake batter right there. That is going to be tasty. I've used this multiple times for pancakes. It does a great job. So there you go. Thanks very much for watching the video. I hope that this was helpful for you in seeing what the heavy duty KitchenAid is all about. And wish you a good day. Bye now.